Good day everyone. Today we're going to unbox and review this Liger Zero, regular Liger Zero from BT brand. It's a bootleg, guys. So we'll see what's the quality inside and what to look further. And that's all, nothing else, nothing much. And I'll tell you my reaction about the quality of the plastics, everything it comes with. Okay, let's get started. First, I already pre-opened the box, so I'm just gonna show you what's inside. Wait up. I'm gonna place it first here. There. So that's what's inside of a Liger Zero BT model. It's a bootleg. You got white parts, two white parts, black with gold, and gold with brown, and small black with white, and the poly cup. Is it a poly cup or it's just plastic? Anyway, what I noticed is the quality of this plastic was a bit yellowish, unlike the real color of the Liger Zero. It was supposed to be this white, right? Look, compare. It's how it is, the quality of the plastic. Maybe if you're a great modeler, you can just repaint it if you like, if you want to be color accurate, or if you want a bit old-fashioned way, like yellowish thingy, you can leave it like that. As for me, I don't know, maybe we'll see. So that is it. Alright, I'm gonna show you the claws. It's not like the original in Tommy that you can close and open it. It's pretty much together, like stick together. There you go. Here, it's not a bit much, unlike the other Zoids. That is all, guys. Hope you liked it.